really excited to have tried the Gyro Driver. It's a new product on the market and it's made my DIY challenges in my new home feel a lot more straightforward and a lot less intimidating. So I've recently used the Gyro Driver to take down some vertical blinds whilst we were decorating. The task involved me working at height, so the compact and lightweight nature of it allowed me to get into a really tight spot. I used a lengthened drill bit to allow me to get right into where I needed to unscrew, and then that's where the gyroscopic motion sensor really came into play. Because of working at height, it allowed me to easily twist my wrist. The screws came out, it was absolutely fantastic.
I think it's great, it's funky, it's cool. I feel like I don't have to do anything with this one. It does it for me.